Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can create database and table using MS Access. To begin with, we'll click on Start and just type MS Access. You will see Microsoft Access on the screen if your system has the access. Then click on blank database. I would prefer to store the database in a specified location, so I click on this. And I give the file name as customer detail and click on OK, and now click on create. So this is how the screen appears. Now to create a database, I have to create a table. So database consists of a table. So to create a table, I need to click on view and design view. I give the name as customer. So my table is named as customer. Now this is the screen for creating a table. Now table consists of field name and data type. The field name is something that the details we get it from the customer. So in this case I am going to get it from the customer. So whatever details I am going to get from the customer is called as a field name. So I would like to get the customer ID, otherwise I will be generating the customer ID. And here in the data type I mention it as auto number because I am going to generate that. So there will not be any duplicate customer ID. Description, I can give a full description of what I have written in the field name. So in the field name I will be always mentioning it as short as possible. And one more thing to remember in the case of field name, that there should not be any space when you give the field name. Now coming to the next, to navigate between the columns you have to use the tab key. And in the case of the customer name, the data type can be text because name always consists of only characters. So I can use the text data type. And here also I can go for the expansion of it. So description is always written for making it user friendly. Now I use the customer address. So address I can give it as text. And here also I expand it. I can make it as customer state, that also is text. And next I go for the customer PIN, that is PIN code, and it is always going to be in numbers. Okay. Customer PIN code. If I am going to give the customer date of birth, if I am going to get the customer date of birth, that it should be in the date and time data type. And in the case of description you can have the space but not in the field name. Field name should not have any spaces. So at this time I am using only the 6 field names. Now I press Ctrl S to save it. To enter the records or enter the details, I click on view and click on datasheet view. So this is the screen for entering the records of the customers. So as I have used auto number, my customer ID will be generated automatically. I press the tab, I enter the details over here. So these are the details that I try to enter. pin code, and the date of birth. So in the case of date of birth, as I have mentioned, only the date and time should be entered. It will not accept any other field, any other data type over here. So I need to enter only in the form of date. So I can keep on entering the records in this way. So I have entered some 7 records. So this is the way that I can create a database. So inside the database I have created a table. The table consists of field name and the data types. The field names are nothing but this customer ID, customer name, customer address, customer state, pin code, date of birth are the field names. In case if I want to delete any record, I keep my cursor over here where you see an arrow, right click over here, and you see that the record will be deleted. Okay, and the same way we can do it with a copy and paste of the record also. So here this is very easy for you to enter the record or create a new record or to delete a record. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.